Hey everyone, welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a new login in SQL Server. Okay, so for that, first of all, you have to click on this Connect Object Explorer. All right. After that, click on this drop down of authentications, then select Windows Authentications. Okay, so it's up to you. Whatever you can want, you can select from this. If you want to log in with Windows Authentication, then you can click on this, or if you want to log in with SQL Server Authentications, then you can select this one as well. Okay, so I'm going to select the Windows Authentications as everyone can log in with this Windows authentication in SQL Server. Okay, then click on connect. Now here you can see we have successfully logged in into the SQL Server, correct? Then now here you can see we have a folder called as the database, right? And inside this database we have only one database, that is demo.db. All right. So now what you have to do, first you have to sync down, then right click on it and click on new database and create a new database. Okay, then here give the name of the database. Like my YouTube channel is Milestone Creator, so I'm giving the database name as Milestone Creator. Okay, all right, then click on OK to create a new database named as Milestone Creator. Okay, so just click on OK. And here you can see we have successfully created a new database called as the Milestone Creator, correct? After that, in the below sections, you can see we have a folder called as the security, right? So if you will expand this, you can see a folder called as the login, right? So just click on this plus icon and make it expand. All right. And here you can see these are all our logins, right? And same way we want to create a new login inside that, right? So just right click on it, then click on new login. Okay, then you can see this type of pop-up over here. All right, then here you can see we have 5 different category. One is general, server rules, securables, and status, right? So first you have to click on this general tab, then here you have to give the login name. Okay, so I'm going to give the login name as SA1. Okay, because already we have a SA login, so I'm going to create a new login with the name of SA1. Okay, the next is, out of these two, Windows authentication and SQL Server authentication, you have to select the SQL Server authentications. By default, it is showing Windows authentications because we have login into the SQL Server by Windows authentications, right? But here, to create the login, you have to select the SQL Server authentication. All right. The next is, here you have to create a password. Okay. Same password, you have to enter it again. Then untick these 3 checkbox. Okay, then the next is, here you have to select the server roles. Okay, and inside these server roles you have to select this system admin. Okay, then the next is user mapping, and inside this user mapping you can see the database that we have created, that is Milestone Creator, is showing over here, right? So just click on this. Then in the below part you have to click this DB owner as well. All right, DB owner and public. Okay, the next is you have to click on this securable, and inside this securable you can see a options called as the search, right? So just click on it. So here you have to select the server, then click OK. Then the next is status. Okay, so inside this status you can keep it as it is, then click on OK. And here you can see we have successfully created a new login, that is SA1. So if you are not able to see that, what you have to do, you have to click on this login button, then right click on it and refresh that. Okay, so to check whether it's working properly or not, what you have to do, first of all you have to disconnect this SQL Server, then again click on this Connect Object Explorer. All right, then here in the authentication sections you have to select the SQL Server authentications, and here in the login section you have to give the SA1 because we have created the new login with SA1, right? Then in place of password, you have to enter the password that you have given during creating this login. Okay. Then click on this connect tab. And here you can see we have successfully logged in into our SQL Server, right? So if you will expand this database, here you can see we have two databases previous it was DemoDB, and we have created the new database that is milestone creator, right? And if you will expand the security tab and inside the login, if you will check, then you can see the login that is SA1 is available over here. All right. Then the next best method to create a login is, first of all, you have to log in into your SQL Server. Okay. After login into your SQL Server, you have to click on this new query. Okay. And you have to create a new page over here. All right. Then here you have to write a small query that is create login. Then give the login name that is SA2. Okay. Then you have to write with password, then give the equal symbol, then give the semicolon, and inside that you have to give the password. Okay. All right. Then give the semicolon, then select this two row, then click on execute. But before that, let me show you. Just click on this security tab, then expand this login tab. Okay. And here you can see we have this much login only. Okay. That is SA1 YouTube, right? Now we are creating the new login that is SA2 along with the password that is India123. All right. So let me select this again, then click on execute. And here you can see we have successfully created the new login, but here I am not able to see that new login. So for that, just click on it, then right click on it and refresh it. And here you can see this is the new login that is SA2 that we have created here. Correct. So to check whether this SA2 is working properly or not, first of all you have to copy the password. Okay, Control C, then disconnect it, then again click on this connect tab. Then here you have to select SA2. Okay. Then in the password section, just paste the password that you have copied. Okay. Then click on connect. And here you can see we have successfully logged in along with the new login that is SA2 by giving the password as India123. Correct. So these are the two easy methods by the help of which you can create a login in SQL Server. Okay. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.